Today we learn how to add country field and state city in contact form 7. Go to your WP dashboard and go to plugins, add new plugins, type here country state. Now you can see here is a plugin that name country state city drop down CF7 powered by Trusty plugin. You should install this plugin. Installation complete. Now active the plugin. Now go to contact. Here is the contact form, then edit, and now we can see here is a some option: country drop down, state drop down, city drop down, and checkbox, radio button, etc. So now I will add a country drop down. It is required or not? It should required, and now insert. And I want to set a label here. Country. Label closing. Now save and just refresh your contact form. You can see here is the country field visible. So now I want to add city drop down below the country. Select city drop down, insert, and write a label city. Now here is ending the label. Save and just refresh your contact form. Okay, here is an error because the country and state field must be available. That means the state code is also inputted here. So state drop down also here, and label closing and save and refresh your contact form. You can see here is all three items. There is country, Afghanistan, state, that is one, and you can see here is city also. Now it's done. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.